Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10a, and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So you need to perform removing cache manually. We do not have a separate option that will do it automatically for all of the apps. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the section with the apps, which are right here. Then let's tap on see all 43 apps, of course 43 in my case, and as you can see, this is the list of all available apps that we've got currently installed on our device. And what I highly recommend to do here is to open the app and go to storage and cache. As you can see here, we've got this cache section, and basically cache are files that are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, if the file is corrupted, then it might affect the usage of the app or the ability to actually open it. Moreover, they are occupying some memory. So what I highly recommend to do is to simply tap on clear cache, and as you can see, your device will immediately do it. And I highly recommend to do it for the apps that you're frequently using, because they will have the biggest amount of cache. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.